Next log that I will attempt to open is this here ASEC cylinder. It's a challenge log that was sent to me by Jared, and I have to say this is very nasty log. I had picked it a few times some time ago, never had a chance to film it, so I clicked on number 3 I think, and we have immediately some really big false set. Let's see what will this false set bring. Starting from the back. Okay, this was number 5. It's set. See, number 4 is this. Come on, number 4. Number 4. Let's try again. Number 5 again. 4 seems to be set. 3 seems to be okay. 2. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. So again, 5. Okay. 4. 3 set. 2 set. 1. Give us more click. So let's see again. 5. 4 set. 3 springy. So let's get a deeper hook maybe. Number 3 gave some more rotation. 4 and 5 are set. 2 and 1. Come on, number 1. Wow, that's some really. Come on, camera, focus please. Focus back, focus. That's some really deep false set. Let's see now. Number 1. There's 1 again. All the back pins are set. seems to be set. Okay, so let me try another hook and I will hopefully be able to go over this curve over here. That was one. Tell you what, I will switch tension wrenches. And open, it was number one. Finally. Okay, so let's quickly cut it. And let's have a look. Whew, that was a real nightmare to pick. Let's see what's inside. I am curious. So he sent it without, he have sent it without the C-clip, so I put this so that it can hold the core in place. And let's have a look what's inside. 5-pinner pane. I will be using my new tray from Adrian Weber. And here we go. Serrated, homemade, spool, homemade, very nice, very beautiful serrated kind of pin, another serrated and another spool. We have threading on every chamber here. Hopefully you can make it out. Yeah. And let's see what's on the inside of this lock. So serrated, spool, serrated. I think this one is not custom made, probably this looks like a stock one. Oops. A homemade, really nasty looking spool of a sort. Okay, and another homemade spool. Well, let's see if I can make it visible for you guys. So these are the pins that JJ put inside, and I can say they are beautiful pins. Thanks for the lock, and guys, keep it legal. Cheers.